Have you ever wondered that around 800 million jobs could disappear by 2030 because AI machines are taking over? It's a pretty shocking idea. Today, we're going to explore the areas where AI growth might bring really bad news. So, get set for an adventure into the fields that might be close to disappearing for good. Graphic designers. In the hidden corners of technology progress, something alarming is happening to graphic designers. The boom in AI advancements is bringing to life powerful design tools like Midjourney and Stable Diffusion. These super advanced computer programs can create breathtaking designs across different styles almost instantly. Behind their virtual curtain, there's a complex code analyzing trends, looks, and what people like, creating visuals that captivate our senses. But what does this mean for human graphic designers? As AI gracefully steps in to understand beauty and decode creative instructions, its power keeps growing, making human touch less necessary in the design world. Designers who were once the leaders of creativity now find themselves facing the creepy challenge of competing with machines that whip up stunning designs at lightning speed. It's like stepping into a world where mistakes fade away and changes are rare. Amidst this mysterious transformation, a question arises. Can human imagination stand strong against the unstoppable march of AI design tools? Only time will tell. Data entry and data processing. Step into a world where data is like a treasure, and businesses are diving into the world of advanced AI magic. Why, you might wonder? Well, they're using these AI tricks to quickly sort, understand, and reveal amazing secrets from gigantic piles of information. Imagine this. Machines are teaming up with smart learning programs and special OCR technology to flawlessly change handwritten or printed words into digital form. All these jobs that used to need people are now done by machines. But wait, here comes the really interesting part. These super smart AI tools are jumping into huge sets of data, finding hidden patterns and trends that would have made human detectives scratch their heads for a long time. These tools are incredibly good at what they do. But hold on, there's a twist in this tale. While these great leaps bring super fast, fact-based decisions, they also bring out a cloud of uncertainty over the future of people who do data entry and processing. You see, as AI keeps growing, there's a chance that these jobs might slowly disappear. It's a big challenge, especially for those who depend on these jobs. Basic accounting and bookkeeping. You might be wondering about AI in finance, right? Well, hang on tight, because as we move into the digital age, how we deal with money stuff is changing a lot. Think about things like sorting out accounts and making money reports. These are getting a makeover by AI-powered tools and software. It's like magic. Things that used to be hard are now easy. Imagine this. Machine learning algorithms are like digital wizards. They go through a ton of money information using their special skills. It's not just math. They're finding mistakes super fast, and guess what? They can even guess what might happen with money in the future. It's like they have a crystal ball, but not all spooky. But there's more. These AI helpers aren't only making businesses better at money stuff, they're also stopping those annoying mistakes people make sometimes. Remember those tough calculations that confuse accountants? AI's got them covered. It's like having a super reliable friend who's really good at stuff. Now, here's where things get really interesting. The jobs of accountants and bookkeepers are changing super quickly. Don't worry, what they know is still important. But there's a new player, AI-powered tools. It's like a new game, and if they want to keep playing, they need to learn new things. Imagine this. Our brave money heroes embracing AI like a knight with a magic sword. They're learning new tricks, like using special skills to look at data and fancy money technology. They're not giving up what they know. They're just adding more to what they can do. Translators and interpreters. A world that was once all about human expertise but is now being shaken by the mysterious influence of AI tools like ChatGPT and other fancy language software. Imagine this. The translation business, once a confusing puzzle, is now being deciphered by these AI-powered translation tools. They use the magic of machine learning and neural networks to not only understand words, but also to make sense of context, phrases, and the unique flavors of different cultures that only humans used to understand. It's like glimpsing a new day through the shadows. Think about the excitement of getting instant translations, where language barriers vanish like mist. These futuristic tools are knocking down communication walls, making languages that used to be baffling sound as clear as day. The time of confusion is fading away like an old spooky tale. But wait, as AI takes a tighter hold on translation, what happens to the people who've always been in charge? Will their special skills fade away now that AI is in the spotlight? In the midst of all these change, there's still a place for human expertise in tricky or sensitive translations. Their skills will still shine brightly. Yet, when it comes to everyday translation, things are shifting. The need for regular translation service might shrink like whispers fading into the breeze. The future of this skill is uncertain, as the AI powerhouse speaks eloquently in every language, creating a symphony of words. Now, here's the big question. How can these translators, who are like world magicians, stay important in a world where AI can talk in so many different languages? It's like a puzzle they need to solve. The future is uncertain as we watch this big change in the way languages are handled. Manufacturing and assembly line jobs. Picture this. A time where being precise, speedy, and super efficient is like being the superhero of a factory. But guess what? There's a new superhero in town. AI-powered robots. These robot wonders are super smart, with fancy sensors, eyes that see like computers, and even the power to learn. They're taking on tough jobs all by themselves, doing things like building cars and electronics. Remember the days of tired workers on the assembly line? Well, those days are gone. These robot bodies work non-stop 24/7, making sure everything they make is perfect and avoiding big mistakes. But wait, there's more. They also know when things might break and how to keep track of stuff in storage. It's like a super level efficiency we couldn't even imagine before. But here's the twist. While we're amazed by these robot heroes, we can forget about people behind the scenes. Lots of workers who make things in factories might have a tough time. The skills they've always used might not be needed anymore. It's like they're in the danger of being forgotten. The challenge is a big one, finding new jobs for these workers in a world where robots are in charge and teaching them new stuff so they can rock in this changing world. As time goes on and tech keeps getting cooler, the story of making stuff in factories is full of exciting possibilities, but also some things we're not so sure about. Customer service and support representatives. Businesses are trying really hard to connect with folks, and that's causing a big change, one that shakes up the heart of customer support. Think about those busy call centers, buzzing like beehives. Well, they're going through a super big change. It's like a magical transformation driven by a strong desire for quick and special experiences for customers. And guess what's powering this transformation? It's the world of artificial intelligence, where chatbots and virtual helpers rule. These digital wonders, supercharged by the smarts of AI, can do something really cool. They understand how we talk, figure out tricky customer info, and in a snap, shows us answers to problems that puzzles us. They're super quick and accurate, tackling the everyday issues that bug us. But hold on, think about this. When something gets super powerful, it brings up some tricky questions. The rise of AI's ability brings up a spooky idea. It talks about what might happen to human customer service agents. Imagine a scale that wobbling in the air as AI gets better at handling tough questions and even understand feelings. It casts a shadow over human agents. Right now, We're at the crossroads, a spot where the shine of AI's amazingness could hide the jobs that humans used to do. It's a big twist of fate, where those support folks who used to be the heroes of help are facing a choice. They've got to figure out new paths or learn new things to fit into a world that's all about AI. Through the twist of time, one question sticks around. Will AI taking the lead mean that we stop having real chats with each other? Will relying on fancy computer code make real friendships weaker? As we wander through the world of AI marvels, let's not forget what makes us human. We've explored AI mysteries, revealing a future that's exciting and puzzling. From designing to money and language to production, AI is a real puzzle. Now, it's your turn. What do you think about AI's changes? Are you excited or worried? Leave your thoughts in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more. The future's unsure, but together, we'll solve its mysteries. Keep exploring and keep wondering.